Hi everyone! If you're a Linux user and you want to learn more about what's going on in your network, this video is for you. Now without further ado, let's get to it. The first step in using NsLookup on Linux is installing the tool. You can install NsLookup with this command: apt install NsLookup. Number 1. Getting the A record of a domain. To get the A record of a domain, type NsLookup in your terminal, followed by a domain name. As a result, you'll see the corresponding IP address of that domain. Number 2. Checking NS records of a domain. Now let's learn how to get the authoritative name server of a domain name. NsLookup-type equals ns.github.com. You can see that the authoritative name server of GitHub is. Number 3. Getting the SOA record of a domain. Use the following command to get the SOA record of a domain. NsLookup-type equals SOA facebook.com. Number 4. Finding MX records. And finally, we're going to get the mail exchange record of a domain with this command. NsLookup-query equals mx google.com.